Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to translate language in Facebook. Here are some steps to translate language in Facebook on your mobile device. First, open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Log in your account. Make sure to log in to your own account. Change preferred language settings. Then on the menu section, tap on the settings icon. Then go to the language and region. Here, tap on language you'd like to have post translated into, and then choose your preferred language. Then hit on save. Now go back. Tap on the languages you don't want to be offered translation for. Make sure your mother language is selected. Now go back again and tap on languages you don't want automatically translated. Make sure your preferred language that you want to show translation option is selected here. Then tap save. Scroll to a post in another language. Find a post written in a foreign language. Tap See Translation. Just below the post, tap See Translation. Facebook automatically detects foreign languages. View the translated text. The post will now display the translated version below the original. To translate comments if needed. Tap See Translation under any comment in another language. Now you can easily read and understand posts in different languages on Facebook using your Android phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.